You might have tried varieties of egg recipes, but today which recipe I'm going to share is Mughlai egg drop curry, which is yummy and superb in taste and very easy to prepare. Let's see the recipe. For this, into a mixing jar, we will add some onion, garlic, ginger and chili, some cashew nuts and make a coarse paste. Add a little water and make a fine paste. Keep it aside, and into a pan we are going to dry roast some spices. Once it releases its flavor, we are going to add in some oil and then add in our prepared masala. You can add little water to adjust the consistency, but make sure that your onion paste is cooked nicely. Add some salt as per your taste, and I have taken here 2 teaspoons of chicken masala, a pinch of turmeric and little water. Mix it together. Allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add kasuri methi and half a cup of curd. Keep stirring it continuously. Look at the texture. Then we will add 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add some water if the consistency of the gravy is too thick. Then finally our eggs are in here. Add in the eggs, add some coriander leaves and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And our Mughlai egg drop curry is ready. You can serve this with chapati, parotas, rice, and trust me guys, it is yummy. Do give it a try and let me know in your comments how was it. Bye bye.